What's up, guys? This is Mo Justin Crypto, and today I have an update for you on Canopy Growth. And I do think that we have a detail here in our minds that is making the difference, that will actually decide whether we will go up from this point or not. And I think this is the reason why you should subscribe to this channel, because we are looking at the fine and very little psychological details that will actually make an impact on whether we will go up or down or sideways for a stock, crypto, or anything. So I call this the game theory. Okay, guys? In a market like this, you want to make it as difficult as possible for people to make a lot of money. So if we are looking at Canopy Growth, we will only look at the NASDAQ chart and at the Canadian chart. We can take a short look at the German one as well, because cannabis is quite a big thing in Germany. But still, I want to do a wave count for you guys. Okay, so in Elliott waves, you need beautiful 5 waves up and a pullback in a wave 2. So that would be your wave 1 basically. And you have only the rule that wave 2 cannot go below the start of wave 1. As you see here on the NASDAQ chart, wave 2 went below the start of wave 1, which would basically invalidate that setup and make it impossible for you to go up from here, okay? If it would be a valid setup here, all right, you would basically come back and you would need to stop somewhere here before that 0 level, before that start of wave 1, and then you would be able to get that wave 3 and 4 and 5 in your wave 3, okay? So, as I said, the NASDAQ chart is invalidated, all right, guys? Oh my God, that means we go lower from here. That means we go lower from here. No, listen to me. The Canadian market, TSX, the stock market of Canada, TSX is where Canopy Growth was launched and is originally trading at. And if I can give you a little detail here, guys, you will be able to spot that on the Canadian home chart, Canopy seems to be forming a bottom here above the start of the wave 1. Okay, so where is the most volume trading in the world? Obviously in NASDAQ. What is the plan of the market makers? To shake everyone out and make everybody believe we go lower to then rip shit up. So in my opinion, the truth lays in the TSX chart, where you have to also trade a stock. So every time you want to trade a stock, you want to trade it on the home exchange. So basically, guys, on the TSX, guys, Canopy Growth is holding that 1-2 setup, and everything is valid for a wave 3 to start running up here for the stock. All right. If I calculate the extension, guys, I take the low from that wave 1, I take the high of it, and I take the bottom of that wave 2, and wave 3 will go to the 1.2, and wave 5 will basically top around the 1.618. We are looking at 60 Canadian dollars for this end of this push up. From where we are today, we are speaking about 1,300%. Obviously, market makers do not want you to make those gains. So what they do is they push the setups to invalidation on the market where the most volume is traded and most idiots or like people are looking at, all right, to make you actually sell and believe we go lower, all right? Same thing with the German chart. In the German chart, things are invalidated because we went lower a slightly bit, but we went lower, okay? So that 1-2 setup would technically be not valid anymore. And the German analysts that invest on German stocks, they would think, oh yeah, we have to go lower. But guys, the truth lies in the home exchange. And the 1-2 setup is still very valid here. So to my understanding, in my opinion, we are very, very likely with Monday's market open to actually see either a quick push back down here, boom, and then explode, or directly from here, use that W structure that we are forming here, even though it is not the ultimately prettiest, and push out and go into the direction of 60 Canadian dollars to make 1,300% in gains. So essentially, I'm saying Canopy Growth is a buy now. If you're smarter than the mass, if you outplay everyone, this is a buy now. This is a long position even for me, okay? Stop loss below the low on the TSX. Justin, Justin Crypto out. Have a nice day. Trade safe. Enjoy. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao.